So hi guys, hello everyone, most welcome to my YouTube channel Usman Creation and welcome to my new video. So I will tell you in this video two biggest personalities, actress, comparison between them, Yagmur ozturk and Hazal Subaşi, and which one is your favorite actress? Comment into the comment box, and I collect these all of photographies from Instagram, and I hope so you will be all of these photography enjoying. And happy new year, like this video and subscribe my channel for more latest video. Also press the bell icon for notification to receive my new video to you, and share this video also to your friends to tell them like and subscribe my channel for more latest video. And thank you so much for coming my channel, and thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.